Vanakkam friends, welcome once again to our channel for discussing the Nifty forecast for next week. Last week we expected something like 17 to 55 could hold and we could have a bounce from there, but unfortunately 17 to 55 has been broken because of the global negative news factor, and Nifty went all the way down till 16,850 odd levels. From there it is having a small bounce, and we are not sure whether this bounce will sustain or not, because Nifty technically must have touched 16,750 to 800 levels. In this 50 points band, technically it must have tested, only then a pattern gets completed, but it bounced 50 points higher from there. So now it's a big question mark whether this bounce will get sustained or whether it will also get sold into again. Anyways, we will do our analysis through charts. Whatever happens will happen definitely. We are trying to forecast through charts what kind of move can happen. That's it. So now I have opened Nifty daily charts and connected the last three lows, one before this, last three lows I have connected way back from November 2022, and then during December 2022, and then the low which has been made during February 23, that is budget day. So all these three lows I have connected and drawn a trend line kind of stuff. With that I have added the 200 moving average, which is in maroon color, and then I have drawn a Fibo retracement kind of stuff by connecting the recent high and low. Recent high in the sense which happened on 6th March and the low which made on Thursday. So these two I have connected and drawn a Fibo retracement. As per this levels, we had a fiery bounce from 16,850 levels. As I said earlier, we are not sure whether this will sustain or not, but still this one is a doji, which is an indecisive candle. Whether the trend is going to move up or not, it is not sure. And the next candle is almost like a very big hammer. Generally speaking, hammers are a confirmation of reversal of trend. So what if a hammer happens at top, then we can assume that we can have a fall, and if it happens at the bottom, we can have a conclusion, come to a conclusion saying that it can move on the opposite direction, which is on the higher side. So since this is like a hammer, I expect during next week market could move on the higher side little bit. Just saying higher side will not work. Some levels to be there, right? Like resistance levels. So when it bounces from here, the first resistance comes at the earlier lows. What is the earlier low? 17,255 is the earlier low. That becomes the first resistance. Fortunately or unfortunately, This we would not say fortunately or unfortunately, we can say coincidingly this Fibo retracement, 38.2% retracement comes around 17,211. So this 211 to 256 is going to be a tough barrier to cross, first barrier. Once this barrier is crossed, we can see a move till this 200 moving average, which comes around 17,451. Again, coincidingly, this particular level gets synced with the 61.8 retracement of the entire fall between 6th March till 15th of March. So this is what we can expect during next week. So if you ask me what are the lower levels which we can look for, there is no support in Nifty except the psychological mark of 17,000. If 17,000 is given up on the downside on 2 hours time frame or above that time frame, forget about lower level time frames, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, or like 1 day time frame, whatever it may be, on a higher level time frame, if this gets broken, 17,000 gets broken and closes below that, very bright chances that we will go back and test the 16,800 zones, because that deal is not yet signed. As per my experience with markets, any technical level should be reached. There should not be ifs and buts over there. Only if it is reached and then there is a bounce, we can assume that or we can confirm that that bounce could sustain, or else definitely there will be a fall coming. If not in coming days, maybe if not on Monday or Tuesday, maybe in coming days we will have a bounce till 200 moving average, and then for a fall from there to reach this 16,800 mark, and then only we can technically say that the fall is getting ready to be over and we can bounce on the higher side. But as of now, we are going with charts, a doji after 5 to 6 continuous negative days, and then a hammer next to it is giving us a 50% confirmation that it's going to move up. We can say it like 75% confirmation if at all we have a gap up opening, or if we open in a flat note and take out this Friday's high on Monday in the first hour itself or first 2 hours itself. Maybe post 12 noon on Monday, if we are trading above the 17,144 mark, then we can expect some short covering which can take place, and which will easily take Nifty initially to this 38.2 retracement, and then it can move further ahead and move towards the 200 moving average. Right? This is what we can expect in Nifty during next week. Let us see how best we have did our analysis. Results will be on cards by next weekend. If you ask me with this what kind of trade I can take for next week, it is literally going to be confusing. So I don't want to give any confusing trades in this video. Any trades based on the live market situation will be shared in our Telegram channel and to our premium members. The only difference will be like in Telegram channels you won't get targets, and the premium members will get targets. That's it for now on analysis part. After hearing this video, if you feel that this video is helpful for you and it may help your friends also, you may share this video or share this link to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested about share markets. And barring that, please do post your comments, likes or dislikes, and whatsoever it is this video is worth for. Even if you feel that these videos are not good, or the levels which I am providing is not correct, feel free to update me through comments so that it will be a learning curve for me and I can improve the quality and quality of the video in coming days. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.